Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka jingelang jong kunhun menteri jong Sorkar jela ka balai kendo haka janmit singi baar ka santrik benai leber arajar khat kendai. Kala menjur ban Pynkylla Kyrteng no ya ka jaot bat duna hydel power project sha ka yam stage 1 but yam stage 2 power project.
The meeting of the Empowered Committee of the Power Department, which was held on the 2nd of November 2017, regarding the allotment of the 69 megawatt Jaot hydroelectric power project and the 57 megawatt Duna hydroelectric power project to NIPCO for implementation was taken up. The Jaot, of course, has been renamed as Waomiyam Stage 1, and Duna is now renamed as Waomiyam Stage 2. And after detailed discussion and deliberations, the Cabinet has approved the allotment of both these projects to NIPCO, which is already implementing Stage 3 Waomiyam power project. So the Cabinet has approved for Waomiyam Stage 1 and Stage 2 to be given to NIPCO. So that was the item that was taken up by the Cabinet today.
Ha ka juk por ni jingelang ka kunhun menteri jong ka Sorkar jela kala pediang ya ka kai phot ban penlong ya ka jing toket ni ka judicial inquiry da unong bisar bala song that jong ka yeng bisar high court halor ka jing sha sanret kuli ki laingut ki breu ha ka snong resu bel para ka bahab North Garo Hills district house nam arhajar khat nyo.
The chairman of the Judicial Inquiry Commission had submitted his report on the 14th of November 2018, and he had given the following recommendations. Namely, I'll just read a few of them. That the injured Milseng T. Sangma, the Commission recommended that rupees 1,50,000 be given to him as compensation. Secondly, the other injured persons, Mr. Tumbul Sangma and Mr. Janrak Sangma, who also sustained minor injuries, the Commission has recommended that they should be compensated with rupees 1 lakh each. So this was the recommendation given by the Chairman of the Judicial Inquiry Commission.